Hi and welcome to week 2. The purpose of this video is to help you set your purpose for the week, as well as a few technology reminders to help you successfully work through the folder. I want you to think about if you've eaten anything today, and then think about where that came from. Chances are the food that you've eaten came from a store, maybe it came from a restaurant or the school cafeteria. Maybe it is something that people put ingredients together and made and did some cooking, but those ingredients were purchased from a store. We've been learning about the first Americans and people who were living thousands of years ago. When they got hungry, did not get up, hop in the car, and go to a store to purchase their food. So this week, we are going to be reading and watching a video to learn about where it is that early people got their food. After you've watched this video, you are going to click on Introduction, Start Here. Remember that when you're working in Schoology to please read all of the words on each of the pages. Remember how I told you to think about your purpose for the week? How did the early people get their food? That's what you're going to be thinking about. To navigate through the folders, there is a Next button. That Next button is up here, so you'll click Next. There are times that your work takes you away from Schoology. So for example, it says click the image below, and when you do that, it takes you to a Google Doc. You'll do whatever the directions have asked for you to do, and then when you're finished with that, to go back to Schoology, you click on the Schoology tab, and then a reminder that you'll go to the Next button. I'm going to continue to click Next so that you can preview each page. I'm going quickly. You will be taking your time. Here's a page that has another example of a site that you go away from Schoology. You'll be using this map, and when you're finished with the map, you can keep the tab open and go back to Schoology. It's okay to keep the tabs open because in the end, when you are writing your answer, writing your journal response, you might want to go back to these sources. So I'm going to finish your preview. And when you end, you will be writing in your journal. If you have any questions, check in with your teacher.